When creating a therapeutic blend for a client, you're going to want to use a questionnaire as a guide to choosing your essential oils. So you're going to want to take into consideration any precautions or contraindications before using or mixing your oils. Number 1, what is the purpose of your blend? So this is going to be the first thing you're going to ask yourself, because you're going to want to look at the results that you're hoping to accomplish with the blend that you're going to make. Now, is it for aromatic or therapeutic use? Are you going to be making it maybe to help reduce swelling or alleviate pain? Or is it to help bring a sense of calm for someone who might be suffering from anxiety or stress? This is important to know because you're going to want to consider, are these essential oils going to be stimulating or are they going to be soothing? So you're going to need to look at how it's going to affect the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. Number 2, how will the blend be used? Now this is important too, because the delivery and the method of use will be how the oils are carried out and achieve the results that you're looking for. So you're going to want to know, is this going to be a room spray, or are you going to be adding this to a bath? Is this going to be applied to the body with a lotion or a carrier oil? Or is this going to be a massage oil, be used in the evening after a shower? Is this a blend that you're going to be making to place in a diffuser for inhalation? Number 3, will this blend be used on an elderly person or maybe even a young child? You're going to want to know the person's age that you're blending for. This can be very important in knowing which dilution rate you're going to be using for your blend. Number 4, how long will they be using this essential oil blend? So is this for an acute treatment, or is this going to be something used over long term for illness or a chronic health condition? So you're going to want to determine the frequency, which is how many times a day they will use the blend, and for the duration of how many days they're going to be using the blend. Now, for general purposes, a blend can be applied up to 6 times a day for acute conditions and 3 to 6 times a day for chronic complaints or as needed. Number 5, if your blend is for an acute treatment or condition, you're going to need to determine whether it is for viral, bacterial, fungal, or another type of infection. This will be pivotal in determining which essential oils to use, because there are going to be some oils that are going to be more effective for viral versus bacterial, and those that will be great for fungal, and then any other type of infection that you might be addressing. Number 6, are there any counterindications or precautions that you need to take into consideration as you're making this blend? Be sure to check your oils and make sure they're safe for any kind of pre-existing health conditions that may exist, such as allergies, hypertension, epilepsy, and so on. So you're going to want to know a little bit more about their health background, whether they're taking any kind of medications, prescription drugs, and so on. Number 7, what is the appropriate dosage of oils for this application? Now, we talked about the duration and how many times a day they can use it, but in this case, we need to think about the number of drops of an essential oil in the carrier oil. So, for instance, 15 to 18 drops of essential oil or blend can be used per 30 ml or 1 ounce carrier, and this can be applied 6 times a day. For short-term use, you may increase the number of drops, or if it's for a facial product or a young child, you may even be reducing that. And you also want to check your data sheets to make sure that you have all the safety information and know what a safe dilution rate for that particular oil is when you're considering using it in your essential oil blend.